How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. We're bringing you right here on this 22 Bronco that we did a little bit of work on. What we've got on the front grille there is the Oracle backlit lettering. Now you can get that lettering in amber or white. Customer wanted white on this one, so we installed it. That's 6 individual letters, so you're going to need to wire up. Now, as you can see here, that is a backlight grille. Lettering. It does not actually glow. The whole letter doesn't glow, but the lighting behind it does. Here's a little better shot. You can see there's a clear opaque backside to each letter, and that's where the LEDs are in there. Now, I actually had a damaged letter, so I'm going to crack it open and show you exactly what's inside these on another video. But this is the Oracle backlit letters for the Bronco installed here on the Bronco grille in white. Let me show you what we did around the back. Alrighty, around the back here we've got our brake light ring by Oracle installed into the spare tire. Now that does wire into the factory spare tire wiring for the third brake light that's on their factory. We went ahead and did a nice factory style splice with our uninsulated connectors and our adhesive lined heat shrink. Very easy process. You can follow the Oracle directions, except don't use the garbage connector that Oracle sends with it that is going to rot and cause corrosion. Replace that with a factory splice. Again, do not use the connector supplies by Oracle. It's junk and it is absolutely not waterproof. So we cut those connectors off, cleaned up the wiring, and used a quality connector to make this install. Now, if you want to delete the factory brake light above the tire, that's on you. You can delete that if you like. We chose to just leave it. It's a customer's car. They didn't ask to delete it, so we didn't. So that's the Oracle 5th tire brake ring in red for the Ford Bronco. This is a 22 Bronco right here. And I'm just going to give you one more look at that front grille, the white backlit Bronco lettering. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. Hey guys, I'm just filming a little bit of the back end of this Bronco grille just to show you what we did back here and how we cleaned it up. I did a little fabric wrap on that wire. I used a little bit of RTV in the factory holes that were drilled out to seal it. I sealed RTV by the wire. We're in Chicago, it's salty. I just want to add a little bit of extra sealing where the wire goes in there, and I just put my finger in the RTV. Oh man. So we used hot melt glue, and I came up here on the edge on that one. And then here, I hot melted after I Tessa tape wrapped, and I came up and glued it right to the back of one of those. And that way you can't see it from the front. I suppose you could use a zip tie, but you can see a zip tie from the front, and I didn't want any zip ties visible. So, we joined up the wiring, we made it all pretty. We're working our way down the grill here. And then here, we've got it all condensed down to a 2. I'm going to put a weather pack connector on that, and then we're also going to put a plug and play connector at the headlight, so no cutting factory wires. Weather pack connector to allow the grill to be popped out at any time, and that's how this Bronco illuminated grill is going to go in.